Mom!
What happened,
This
daughter-in-law?
contains the Indian sweet.
Okay.
Mithai has sent it for you. You just came from Kashi. Now you're going to Kamakhya.
Will you like it, daughter-in-law, if I stay here forever? It won't be good. Not at all. You would always feel like I am there only to point out your weaknesses.
Mom, what are you saying?
I am correct, my child. I always speak the truth. You know what? I understand everything. Leave it. Hey, daughter-in-law, where are my grandsons? Go call them. I want to twist their ears hard before going. I'll just call them, Grandma. Where are you all? Are you listening? Grandma is calling. Hey, listen, Sushmita. I was telling you that put that Indian sweet in my bag. All right? That Mithai is a very good girl. She is very uncomplicated. But I did not like her husband Siddharth that much. You know what I felt like? I wanted to twist his ears very hard. But everyone will mind it, so I didn't do it.
Really, Tigress? Grandma, if you had done this yesterday, it would have been a very big moment.
Hey, come here. Where is the other one?
Hey.
Come
Yes.
and sit here.
I'm here.
Listen.
Tell me.
I am telling you by twisting your ears. Take good care of my daughters-in-law.
Yes.
Understood? Keep them properly. All right?
Yes, we'll do that. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely.
Daughter-in-law, I am giving this to you, Sushmita. All right? On my behalf, give this to Mithai. Okay? Son,
Yes?
let's go. I won't delay anymore. Let's leave now.
Yes, let's go. We will get late. Come on. I have to go after dropping you. Come on.
Okay, let's go.
Come, let's
Be
go.
careful,
Let's go.
Mom.
Okay,
Come on.
okay.
Careful.
Let's go.
Careful.
Let's go.
go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Really? You all put me in a very tough spot yesterday. It was such a dangerous drama. Oh no.
But Mithai managed everything. If Grandma came to know that Siddharth doesn't accept her as his wife, it would have led to a world war. Luckily, the hearing aid fell off. But brother, whatever you say, Grandma really liked Mithai.
Yes. Of late, I have noticed that the Lord is helping you as well.
Well, you know.
Okay, some of my things are lying around. Let me arrange them. Oh, Nanda, listen. Will you give this earring to Mithai? I feel very bad for Mithai. Siddharth must understand her. But I don't know how can we help her. Give it to Mithai.
Hey, brother. The decision you took in the morning, why didn't you tell mom and dad about it?
I think I should tell Nipa first, isn't it? Isn't it?
Hey, wait. What are you talking about? Come on, tell me.
Hey, brother, wait, I'll tell you everything. First, let me tell Nipa about this. If she has any problem, I won't be able to take this decision. What's the point in telling mom and dad now?
Wait. I'll call them and ask them to come.
No, what's the problem, but? Listen. Listen.
Hey,
Hey.
hey, you.
Hello.
Say,
Hey,
say.
Shri. Listen.
Nanda. Hey, listen to me. Hey, tell me what's the matter. Come on, tell me.
Hey, you will get to know everything. Let Nipa come first. I will reveal everything.
Oh no. Reveal a problem. No, I won't listen to anything. You come. Listen, you
Yes,
just
come.
be here for a while. I will feel very upset if you leave now.
Rajiv, I came here to drop Nipa and Shri. I've got some work.
Sid, this is not right. Please sit down for a while. At least have a cup of coffee. Sit down.
Yes, correct.
Sit down,
Have a
sit
seat.
down.
Nothing serious will happen if you have a cup of coffee. Have you understood? So, what's the matter? Why are you both standing there? Huh? Hey, come on. Father, mother, and grandma, they all have left. So there's no need to worry. Seriously, the drama that happened during the engagement yesterday, I'll never forget it in my life. It was a historic engagement.
Even I'll remember everything. Nanda, shall I help you? Coffee?
No, brother. I can do that. Besides, don't mention in front of Nipa that you can do all the household chores. Otherwise, my little sister will stop doing whatever little work she does. Did you notice that, Shri? So what if Sandy did not come? But Nanda has taken his place.
Hey, what is it that you wanted to say? Do you know, Siddharth, Ratul wanted to say something. And apparently, he will announce that in front of Nipa. Ratul, you have created enough suspense. Now tell us what you want to say. The best part is, he's already told Nanda, but not me. Strange.
I'll tell you. So, I wanted to say is, I spoke to my employers in the morning today. So, they have sent me a new agreement. But the problem is that there are some terms and conditions in the new agreement which I'm unable to accept. So, I've decided that I won't go back.
Means? What do you mean by that? Hey Shri, can you understand what he's saying?
He said clearly that he doesn't want to go abroad anymore.
What does he mean by that? After the engagement, I already updated my social media status to #US calling. Now, if he doesn't want to go then?
Nipa, let's not talk about social media at the moment, okay? Huh?
Nipa, stop behaving like a kid. Ratul is waiting for your opinion, Nipa. He didn't even tell his parents.
Nipa, what are you doing? Ratul is looking at you. Control.
Nipa, I'm really sorry, but did I anyway hurt you because of something?
Brother, please. You know how immature Nipa is.
Well, sister, don't you think Ratul is behaving like a kid? Don't you think he is playing with his career? I mean, you have a lucrative job, right? What will you do by leaving that job? I mean, there is no future.
I don't think so, Sid. Whatever you are saying, I don't agree. And beside, I want to return to academics. I want to complete my PhD and I've already got a job in a private college, so I will join that. Sid, what is immature about that?
So, it's not immaturity, right?
No?
What do you think? Is it correct to shift your career like this? I mean, you're a software engineer, you have a good job. What are the conditions given by the company which you cannot accept? Tell me. I mean, don't mind me asking, but you said in front of people, hence I'm asking you.
No. There is nothing to mind. You can ask him. After all, you are Nipa's brother. You have the right to question him.
Sid, they said I can't return to India in next 6-7 years. And I can't do that, Sid. I've lived abroad for many years. And to stay without family, it's difficult.
So, basically, what you mean is you don't want to be alone, so you want to quit your career and you want to spoil your job, right?
Why will I spoil it, Sid? I'll make a different career. And please don't mind, but you stay with your family, still you don't like your family. So, you will never understand my emotions. That's okay, I don't blame you. Like I said, I will complete my PhD and I will join the job I've got. Though this job doesn't have a good salary, but it's okay. I'll be happy. In fact, we'll be happy.
I liked your decision very much, Ratul. For such a decision, you need a lot of courage. At the end of the day, what matters is whether you love yourself and you're happy.
These are emotional matters, Shri. It has nothing to do with reality. It's far from reality. Your money, appearance, work environment, everything matters. The world runs like this, Shri. No one's interested to know whether you are at peace or not. Thank you for the coffee, sister. Rajiv, I'll see you.
Brother, take me along with you, please.
Hey, Nipa, listen.
I think Nipa's a bit upset. Shri, will you please come with me?
We are leaving. Ratul, I'll come again with Nipa, okay? Don't worry, she will be fine.
Ratul.
Listen.
Hey, Appa. What is the matter? Nipa and others aren't back yet. It's too late. I don't understand why Nanda called them to their house at this hour. Hey, do you know anything?
Why are you worrying so much, Sulata? Your daughter is the would-be daughter-in-law of that house. Her sister-in-law has called her to gossip. They are engaged, so don't worry.
Yes, they got engaged but not married yet. Why are they getting late? I'm really worried. Appa, please call them.
Hey, Siddharth has gone to drop his sisters, which has never happened before. Maybe they have gone somewhere to hang out
Hey,
together.
Grandpa, I'm very angry. I didn't know about this plan. If I knew, instead of coming home, I would have directly gone to Rajiv's house. Hey, Mithai, come here. Listen, we will take revenge of this insult. You and me will not talk to anyone, okay?
You are absolutely correct, brother Sunny.
Yes.
It is very wrong. I was at the shop and you were out. And the hula party made a plan without us. And Mr. Bittiga also joined them. This is not right. This is very wrong. Very bad.
Very wrong. This is very bad. I am with you. Sushma, call Amu and Somu for dinner. What happened? Why are you worried? Will Rajiv send them without dinner?
No matter what you say. But I don't understand why they don't inform us. Why are they so late? Listen, Sulata, are you able to contact them?
No, Mom. Nipa's phone is unreachable. I even called Shri. Anyway, I didn't call Sid. I mean, should I call him or
You were
not?
not able to connect to them. Why didn't you tell me this?
What's
Why
going
should
on?
their
What is
phone
all
be
this? Who is
unreachable?
not receiving the
Oh
call?
no, Nipa's phone is unreachable. Even Shri's is unreachable. It's saying not reachable. What to do?
Did you call Rajiv?
Yes, I called him. Nanda picked up the call. But she said that they left long ago and Sid is also with them. But do you know what, Appa? Nanda's voice was not clear. I felt something unusual.
Mother!
Nipa? Hey, Nipa! What happened, Shri? What happened? Why is she crying?
What happened, Nipa? Why are you crying?
Shri, what happened? Say something. Why is she crying? Why are you quiet? Tell us something, please.
Nothing happened. What happened, Nipa? There is nothing to cry about. Why are you crying?
How will you understand? Everything is over now. I thought of so many things. I will go abroad. I will stay in a good place. I will eat good food and go shopping. It's over. I don't like this.
Nipa!
Nipa!
Sister Nipa, please come this side. Don't cry. Be quiet, Sister Nipa. With time, my dreams won't get fulfilled.
Grandpa? Actually, Ratul is leaving his job. He wants to do PhD and wants to work in a college. I think because of that, Nipa is upset and she's crying. We tried to make her understand on the way. In fact, I took her to an ice cream parlor and gave her ice cream too, but we are unable to calm her down. After listening to Ratul, she's probably...
What do you mean? He took such a big decision? Do his parents know?
What do you mean by that? Ratul is an adult, sir. Career decision is his own. Why will he tell his parents?
What do you want to say? He took such a big decision. Don't his parents need to know? Wouldn't we like to know if you decide to go abroad today?
You'll definitely know before I leave. But it will be my decision. Anyway, we are discussing about Ratul and not me.
Yes, exactly. How can Ratul take such a decision? But we thought something else, but now suddenly.
Wait, let me understand the matter properly. You all heard what Ratul said. Nothing is going to happen now. What's there to cry, you tell me? Hey, see, she's crying again. Nipa, you please don't cry. Hey, Mithai, take her inside and talk to her, okay? Please, go.
No, Amresh.
Yes?
We have to explain this to Ratul. He's making a big mistake. Do something. Call Mrs. Sushmita or Animesh and ask them to come tomorrow. Or you go speak to them. We can't let this happen.
Okay.
Uncle. Actually, personally, if you ask me, I think Ratul is making a foolish mistake by taking this decision. But it won't be right to force our decision on him, right?
No, Amresh. Nipa's future is connected with Ratul's career. When the alliance was fixed, we knew that Ratul is well settled in abroad. We tolerated Mrs. Sushmita only because Ratul is a good boy. Now, how can he leave his job?
What are you saying, Samresh? Did Ratul become a bad partner just because he's leaving the job?
Dad, you have never understood me and you never will. So there's no point in saying anything. Look, good character doesn't make a person good. Anyway, I said what I wanted to say. Now, Amu will take the decision. Cookie, I am going to my room, send my dinner upstairs.
But brother is absolutely right, Dad. I agree with him. I mean, how can anyone leave a job all of a sudden? No. Hey, listen. I'm saying, come to the room. Let's call Sushmita. It's very important to visit her. Come.
Let's go.
Shri, I want to know that why is Ratul leaving his job?
And according to the contract, he can't return for 6 to 7 years. Now see, everyone has their own priorities, right? They have their own choices. Now for Ratul, his family is his priority. And this is his personal opinion.
It's correct. What can be more important than family, grandfather? We can get a job again. But family always supports us.
Grandpa, tell her not to comment on anyone's career, please. Does she even understand this? Does she have any big aspiration in life? Does she have any goal or dream? Sandy, what's the other term for aspiration?
Yes? Aspiration. Maybe ambition.